NWSGSP because they've done it again. They issued a warning during the broadcast!
North Carolina, East Central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Salisbury, or near Cleveland, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cooley, Cleveland, Mount Ella, Piedmont Research Station, Woodleaf, Cool Springs, and Statesville. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Shelter inside the interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Dispatches and low-lying areas major. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Beatty, Iredell, and Rowan. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, KJY85 broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower in Morrisville, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Davie County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, east central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Salisbury, or near Cleveland, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cooley, Cleveland, Mount Ella, Piedmont Research Station, Woodleaf, Cool Springs, and Statesville.
Has been issued for Mecklenburg County until 8:15. A flash flood warning should be coming over the radios very shortly. During Sonoma, KJY85 should be going off in 3, 2, 1, go. I just want to watch Sonoma, come on!
Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in areas on the southeast side of Charlotte. The expected rainfall rate in this area is 1 to 2 inches over the next hour, with an additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall.
Going after Matt DiBenedetto, red car number 12, going after that lime green number 21 as they race over to the top of the hill. Right behind him, Hendrick teammates head to 4.
Yeah, those two are getting awful aggressive because they look in that rearview mirror and they see Kyle Larson and Chase Elliott. Here comes William Byron. He's your race leader by about 6 car lengths over Kurt Busch. Third is Brad Keselowski. Fourth, Matt DiBenedetto. He's getting his rearview mirrors filled of Ryan Blaney, and then Brad
It's 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated wind gauges indicate very heavy rain. Thunderstorms in areas on the southeast side of Charlotte. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour, and light flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Deep standing water will develop more or drain.
Again, one of the stage here, the Toyota St. Mark 350 here at Sonoma when it comes to the Goodyear tires here today. Right now, most of these teams have put on 2 sets. Some have opted for with grips at such a premium today.
You gotta do it during Sonoma, don't you, GSP?
But this racetrack.
Oh, look at this. It's a perfect circle. The polygon is literally a perfect circle. Look at that. Oh, look at it's a perfect circle. It's a perfect circle, but yeah, during Sonoma, yeah, Sonoma Raceway.
Look at this.
Sonoma. Yeah, last week.
Area during a NASCAR race.
Yeah, I just want to watch Sonoma.
Above would really enjoy looking at this.
I just want to say Sonoma. I just wanted to watch Sonoma, but no. GSP has to say hi for making up for last week with no alerts. If they issued anything during the 600, I would have lost my shit. But, yeah, I can't because, yeah. But all I gotta say is, as Javier would love me to say during this time, bunch of floods, bunch of floods, bunch of floods!
I am beginning to question.
Now back to the race at Sonoma!